up, I sold my soul a good price. Out of sight, my whole got talent.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is going to be a very interesting video. I hope it is for you, but it's for me. Actually going to be vlogging this whole day, but the mainly focus on which is going to be a travel tips and how I pack my bag, since I am going on a trip this Saturday, which is very exciting. I'm going on a trip in Cebu, which is in Manila. And yeah, it's actually gonna be a 4-day trip in Cebu, and the remaining days will be in Manila. I'm actually going to be with my family. This is actually going to be a second time that I went in Cebu. The first time I was with my boyfriend, and the second time will be this Saturday. I feel like this is gonna be a very interesting vlog because I haven't really packed my bags yet. My bag is in the luggage room and my clothes are still in the closet, so yeah, I could actually take you guys with and show it to you how I pack my bags. So before we get started to this video, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to me. Show me some love, guys. Are you subscribed yet? So yeah, let's get started. So I'm at the kitchen right now and I'm actually going to cook my lunch. It's actually brunch because I haven't really eaten my breakfast and my lunch, and it's lunchtime right now. So yeah, I would put you guys here so you guys could see.
One eternity later.
So first things first, what do you have to do is to actually go on a website like maybe this is a Pinterest, and search for like a packing list for vacation, so you guys would know what are the lists that you could carry it with you. Like some clothing, what are the clothings, what are the beauty, and what the other stuff. Because I feel like we can all agree if we are on a trip, like I don't know about you guys, but for me it's very important that I bring out everything that I need for my trip, because I don't like the feeling of, oh man, I forgot this, I forget that, then I would have to buy. My another tip would be actually since you know where you're going for vacation, do check up the weather, like for example, is it rainy days? Why do I always say rainy days? It's rainy days. So yeah, if it's rainy days or if it's winter, you know, or summer, yeah, those kind of thing, because where I'm going, it's actually summer to rainy days, so that's why I would actually prefer to wear shorts, t-shirts, or dress. But if, of course, if you are going on a country where it's super cold, it's winter, you would not want to wear any shorts, right? So I would actually advise for you guys to check the weather. Go on a Google to check the country where the weather, what kind of clothes you can bring that is suitable. So in the second life hacks, guys, it's very important for you to have like a small pouch, like something like this, especially when you are going to bring a lot of liquids. Like, for example, what do I mean by liquids? Like skincare, your beauty products, your perfumes, yeah, those kind of thing. And it's also, we don't want to happen like you're gonna bring a whole bottle of your shampoo and it's gonna just add up some weight in your luggage. So what we want to do is actually maybe you could buy something like a travel kit plastic container or something like these that you could actually buy from Watson's, Guardians, or any pharmacy stores, or at the mall. Or sometimes when you go to the hotel, I'm not advising guys for you to do that, but sometimes when you go to a hotel, they actually give you some free travel kits, like those kind, something like these, what I mean. So yeah, so you can actually reuse that container, this small container, and to put your actual shampoo that you prefer. So that way it's easier for you to carry and it doesn't add up to your luggage. The third tip would be, if you don't want to bring any kind of pouches, you could actually also prefer the kind of like Ziploc bags, because Ziploc bags, it's kind of cheap. It's like a few cents in one whole package. So yeah, I mean, why do we need to have a pouch in your liquid? So that it doesn't leak out to your luggage and you wouldn't want your clothes to be, you know, sticky, but it smells good, but it's sticky, it's wet, so we're still preventing it to be leaking out. And the fourth tip would be this one. This is actually a travel pouches where you can buy at Carousel or at the mall. If you know Carousel, I actually bought that only for $10 for one whole package. They have the big pouch together with a small, medium, extra large, those kind of things. So yeah, it's actually a very good investment for you to buy these kind of travel pouches, because it actually saves some space into your luggage. So yeah guys, I will be sharing with you another tip. Since for those who are going for a beach like I am going, where I'm going, I would advise for those people who tend to prefer not to get darker after they go to the beach, I would actually advise for you to get a rash guard. This is my rash guard. It's actually, I don't know what brand is this, but if you guys know what brand this is, this one, yeah, this is the brand of my rash guard. So yeah, I would actually advise you guys to get one. I bought this in Philippines. Is around less than 2,000 pesos. So yeah, and it's really good quality. This one would actually prevent you from getting darker. And I partner up with a trunk shorts, a trunk shorts, or a biker shirt, I would say, yeah, together with my rash guard. I have the travel pouches for you to put your bikini, since I'm going on a beach. And do remember to fold it nicely so it is organized properly. Voila. So this is my bras and this is my panties. So this is how it looks like. I'm not gonna show it to you how is it everything, but I usually, for my undergarments, I usually put a little bit more because you know that's where you change every single day, especially when for girls who are having, you need more undergarments. And then for the bras, it's just like that. So right now I will be showing to you how I am going to fold my clothes. So since I'm going on a beach, I will be bringing a lot of shorts since it's very hot in Philippines and there's no winter weather over there. So I will be bringing everything. It's either dress or shorts. That's the two options I have, of course together with the t-shirt. So this is my short. What I will do is I will actually just fold it into half, and then after that roll them up. Voila! So now I will be showing to you how I will fold a t-shirt. So this is a normal t-shirt. Sorry if it's a little bit crumpled, but yeah. So this is my t-shirt. So what do you do is to actually, if you want it neatly to be, actually just randomly fold them. So I fold them into half, then fold another, fold again, like so, and fold another, fold again, followed by your roll. Okay, so that's one piece. And then another t-shirt. So you fold into half and you fold again, and then you fold again and you roll them. So this is how you're going to put that in your luggage together with your short so that it saves some space. Oops. So I would actually get back to you guys to show you my finalized outcome in my luggage, and yeah.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, so I am actually finally finished. So these two compartments. This one is actually my brother's stuff. His shirts, his pants, his shorts are all here, and this is all mine. It's actually, I still haven't put the food. There's like 4 more yet to haven't settled in my bag. So I am going to show it to you. What is it look like? Remember just now I was folding the shorts and the tops. This is actually the outcome of it. So you actually guys could put more. Actually this is not full yet, you guys can see. So you can actually put more on your luggage. So in this compartment, this is mine. So I have a coffee. This is all my skincare stuff, and then like my bikini, my undergarments, and my bras over there. And then yeah, this is all my shirts, my shorts, and I actually put 2 dresses over there just in case I needed to go to a hotel or like a dinner, something like that. So yeah. So that is it, you guys. I am so tired. It's so hot because I've been running around everywhere to get my brother's stuff and my stuff. So yeah, this is the outcome of our luggage. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to me. And yeah, by the way guys, for those who are going on a trip for this in this month or tomorrow or somewhere near in this month, have a safe flight and enjoy your trip, guys. You deserve a better vacation. Bye guys.